Hi everyone, welcome to Beauty and Lifestyle by Anindita. I'm out with my children. I did not go anywhere. It's just the back side of my apartment. I come here every morning for a walk, and today I just brought my children. I'll show you guys something. Wait a second. Do you see this one? This is a snail and it's moving very slowly. It's at the back side. I'll just show you. It's if you guys can see, it's moving very slowly. I just saw this one and I thought of capturing. Yeah. So I'm planning to walk with my children. I'll just show you guys the back side. See, it's a little scary. It's my daughter and Mithai, that's my son. Let's go. And I'll just show you guys. This is the back side. It's little scary, as you guys can see. My children are working, and actually this part is little dark. You can hardly see anything. If I want, I can shoot a documentary on ghosts and something. And yeah, I walk here every day. This is the part of my apartment where I actually walk every morning. And it's little scary now. So that's my building. It's not outside, it's actually within the campus. And I'm walking with my children. Actually, we hardly come out now. There is another snail there. There are lots actually in here. Oh, they saw something. And these children are most of the times at home. They came out now and they're super excited. Whatever insect, whatever they see, it's like something new for them. Eta ki, eta to baby snail. Maybe it's nothing. It's a fruit or something. Let's walk. Get up. Let's go. Chalo. So yeah, my son is always excited. So no matter where I take him, he's always excited. And you see my apartment, guys. As you can understand, I think it's a 7 o'clock almost. So that's why it's like this. If it is 6 o'clock or something, you can still find some sunlight, but now it's like this. Actually, I like this place a lot. I like this place very much. This is calm and quiet, and people normally do not come here. So no matter when you come, you walk, this spot is kind of what should I say, I mean, people don't like it or what, I don't know, but normally people do not come here. Oh, that's a cat. No. It wants to drink water. It's okay. Let's go. It wants to drink water. Hi, Catty. Hello. Don't touch, Babu. Don't touch. It wants to drink water. Chalo. You go. You walk. Let it drink water. Bye. It's thirsty. Mishti Mithai, you are enjoying? Like it? Acha, careful, okay? Don't fall. This place is very windy. When I come in the morning, it's really windy. But now I feel it's gonna start raining after some time. That's why it's like this. So I'm switching camera in between, and once again my front camera. And guys, you can see me without makeup, without wearing those lenses, blue-eyed one, and I'm just walking. But you know what? It may look little scary, dark, little haunted, yeah. But I like this place very much because it is calm and quiet. Night lights are there. So everything is visible. It's not so dark that you cannot see things. That's another insect, and I think it's dead. Move on. Let's move on.
Yes, this is planted.
Oh, move on. Let's walk. They're super excited. After a long time, they're out. We can understand, right? They are not going anywhere. They're schooling from home. They are sometimes I make a video call. They talk to their friends on a video chat. So it's like the children are kind of used to this new normal. This is normal now. Let's not use the word new anymore. It's normal, isn't it, guys? I am also kind of liking this. It's not that I am completely against it or something, or I'm so bored. I don't even have lipstick today. I can't believe this. Okay. Yeah, I was wearing this mask. I'm carrying a sanitizer and extra masks also, because my son is like that. He's super excited all the time. He'll simply take it and throw it. He did it many times. So whenever I go, you know, I always carry a extra piece of mask. I really have to. So this is the area, guys. I really love this part, you know. Like I just said, every morning when I come and walk here, it looks totally different, and every night it is again like different. In the morning it doesn't look like this, but at night the beauty is like, wow, I have that feeling, that haunted kind of feeling. Go, you walk, you don't have to hold my hand, it's okay, go. So yeah, my son, you can see the trees and all. It looks so nice, no? I'll switch my camera once again. See, guys, it's a little bushy here, and that's why you get to see so many insects. Sometimes we see snakes also, during summer especially. We see lots of snakes. They simply just come, so we really have to be careful. I normally do not come at this time. Why I have chosen this time is because there are less people. Really, I'm walking like a tortoise? Because I'm shooting at the same time. Chalo, let's walk. But you also walk like a tortoise. Don't run. You may fall. सुना आप लोगों ने? इतना छोटा सा लड़का tortoise जैसा मम्मी को ऐसे बोला. उफ, आजकल के बच्चे. चलो, I'm actually walking towards my security gate now. Why they are running is because this place is, you know, it's like a slope. Because this is the garage, as you can see. This is a basement. This, and then that's the first floor, and this much is that. First, second, third, fourth floor, and this is like ground floor, and then, oh no, it's not like that. It's like ground floor, first, second, and third. Yes, and this is the basement. Babu, wait once again. And this is our garage. I'll take you through. This is a basement garage, and it's really big. This is how it is. And yeah, we are walking towards the main gate. I actually have a parcel. I'll just pick it up also. This is my apartment, guys. In the morning, like, it looks totally different. There is so much of sunlight. This part is really open. It's windy. I don't know how much I can show you guys, but yeah, it seems it's gonna start raining. So it's not windy today. It's really খুব গুমোট হয়ে আছে, জানি না ইংলিশে কি বলবো, ইটস একদম থমথমে. This is the entrance. This is entrance gate. I was walking from that side. I was coming from there, and this is our entrance gate. And I'll just take you through. Babu, let's go. Don't stop, but be very careful, okay? I'm going towards the main gate security. We have a security room, and there are some people who are sitting over here 24/7. They give us security, and they are people, you know, for whom we are safe today. And because they are outside, they are working like this, we can stay safe at home. This is the security office, guys. See, these are the parcels from Amazon, from Flipkart. So many parcels are stacked over here. So many. This is their room. This is the computer. They see the CCTV footage here. They are working here 24/7, and they make sure our security. And guys, these are fruits and vegetables. These are mainly from Big Basket and all. These are for fruits and vegetables, guys. So many things. And this is a place where they keep the fish. Come, I'll show you guys. It's a little noisy. I don't know whether I'm audible or not. I'm just trying my level best. Yeah, do you guys see the fish? I don't know whether I can show you guys. Yeah, they are there. This is the place where they keep the fish. This place really look good. I love this place very, very much. And I am also kind of coming out with my children after a long time. I stay in GR Lavender. This is my apartment. This is a night view. After a long walk, they are tired. Mama will all them. Yay! We are super tired because
Hello.
Hi. My son is like that, you know. He loves to be on my channel. He always wants to come on my videos and talk to you guys, but I don't really bring him. I am taking you guys towards the volleyball court. This is the volleyball court, guys. We used to play volleyball here. We have a women's team. We used to play every Saturday. You guys can see the net. Children play cricket also here. Sometimes football. Still some people are playing. And that part is the swimming pool. Let me just quickly take you guys over there. I don't know whether I'll be able to show you or not, but that is the swimming pool. You guys can see the reflection, and that is our clubhouse. This is our clubhouse. That you see the boy talking, that's our clubhouse. Inside that we have snookers, we have spa, like we have a small library, and that rooftop is a center where we can arrange parties and all, this open kind of parties. And that building behind the volleyball court, that is the community hall for like occasions like marriage, birthday celebration. And this is our favorite place, which is now not being used. Used to play lots of volleyball matches over here. Now no one is coming. I didn't show you guys because normally in the morning these things are more visible, but you can see these small beauties, the flowers. There are lots and lots of flowers, guys. I couldn't show you guys. I'll just come one morning, one very nice lovely sunny morning, and I'll just show you guys the flowers over here. I mean, the gardeners are so nice. They work really hard to maintain this place. Here are some flowers I can show you. There are so many, guys. I'll show you. I'll just come some morning, someday in the morning. My children are so excited because they are going to the store. I promised them that I'll buy some ice creams or something. Like, they're super excited. They're going towards the store, and the store people are very good. They help us always. Whenever we need vegetables, we need anything like grocery, they deliver at our doorstep. And this is the lady who sells vegetables over here. This is a small vegetable store, apartment store, and this is departmental. It's actually a new store. It's not built up that way. So we'll enter. I'm not sure whether children are allowed. भैया बच्चे allowed है? ठीक है. Go. This is the store. It's a new one. It's just opened. I mean, a month ago or something. So the store, they are really good. ले सकते हैं भैया? ठीक है. I just took their permission because, yeah, obviously I should. Babu, do not touch anything. Don't touch anything now. So I'll buy them chips and all. It's a very nice store. Very, very nice store. So all the essential things are over here. This place is for creams. There I saw the shampoos. You have hand wash. Listerine, yeah, we need this. Toothpaste. Mops. My children are super excited. They're coming after a long time. Yeah, razors. You don't need them now, maybe later. A very nice store, isn't it, guys? I come, but yeah, not every time like I used to before. And like I just said, this is a new store. I mean, the owner was not the same person before. We always have a store here, but the owner was, you know, different guy, different person. This part is like, yeah, shampoos and all, baby shampoos for elders. There is a different section. Abhi nahi. Bread and all, everything is something. Everything is like, you know, you can actually find here. Okay, now I'll take my children. I'll see what they want to buy. So I'll end my video here today. Say bye. Say bye.
Bye.
So I'll end my video here today. I hope you like this video. This is my apartment. I really love this part. You know, this apartment is so nice. People are very nice over here. I stay in Bangalore, but I never felt that I'm staying in some other place. People are very nice over here. So guys, yeah, thank you once again for watching my video. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you think my video is worth a share, please do share with your friends and family members. And if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. And thank you once again for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, you take care. Bye bye.